Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kayla Anastasia, NIM 64251654, class 641B05. In this video, I will deliver an English core assignment lecturer Miss Dwi Iswahyuni MPD, namely Part 1, Giving a Speech, and Part 2, Presenting. I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Smoking is one of the biggest problems that we often see around us, even in educational environments like universities. As students, we all know that a campus should be a place for learning, creativity, and positive growth, not a place filled with cigarette smoke. In my opinion, order on campus is the basis of disciplines for students, one of which is that smoking is prohibited. Smoking in the campus area gives a bad example to other students. University students are the future leaders of this nation, and we should show good behavior and discipline. If younger students or new students see the seniors smoking freely on campus, they might think that smoking is normal or acceptable. And that's not the message we want to deliver. If anyone smokes on campus, the campus will take firm action against the smoker, namely imposing sanctions that have been determined by the campus because this violates regulation. Let's remember that our campus is not only a place to gain knowledge, but also a space to build character and responsibility. Keeping the campus clean, fresh, and smoke-free is part of our duty as educated people. Together, we can create a better, healthier, environment for anyone. Okay, that's enough of the speech I delivered. Thank you for your attention. Let's support a smoke-free campus for a better future. I will present material entitled The Question Words. Definition. Question words, also known as WH questions, are words used to ask for specific information such as people, place, things, time, reasons, or methods. Most of them begin with the letters WH. Function. WH questions are used by someone to ask for specific information, where the listener must provide a clear answer. In English, this is called an open question. In other words, you cannot answer a WH question with just yes or no. Below are examples of WH questions and yes/no questions along with how to answer them. Example about WH questions. Number 1. What color it is? Answer. It is yellow. Number 2. What color is her dress? Answer. It is white and green. Number 3. What is your favorite color? Answer. My favorite color is orange, or it is orange. Examples about yes/no questions. Number 1. Are you a student? Answer. Yes, she is student. Number 2. Is she a German? Answer. No, she is French. Number 3. Are they at home? Answer. Yes, they are at home. In the Indonesian language material, there is 5W, 1H. 5W, there is what, where, who, why, when. 1H, there is how. In the English material, plus 3W. 1. Which. 2. Was. 3. Whom. So, there is 8W, 1H. Here's the explanation. Number 1. What? Translate apa? What is a question word that functions to ask about something or something's related to someone? Example, ask, what are you doing? Answer, I'm studying English. Example 2, ask, what is your favorite color? Answer, my favorite color is pink. Number 2, where? Translate, kapan? Where is a question word that functions to ask about place or location. Example, ask, where do you live? Answer, I live in Bekasi. Number 3, why? Translate, mengapa? Why is a question word that functions to ask for a reason. Examples, ask, where are you late? Answer, because I missed the bus. Number 4, when? Translate, kapan? When is a question word that functions to ask about time. Example, ask, when is the Zoom meeting? Answer, at 8 a.m. Number 5, who? Translate, siapa? Who is a question word that functions to ask about people, a reason, or subject. Example, ask, who is your English teacher? Answer, my English teacher is Miss Dwi. Number 6, whom. Translate dengan siapa. Whom is a question word that functions to ask for person or people as subject. Example, ask whom will you talk to? Answer, I will talk to my friend. Number 7, whose. Translate, milik siapa. Whose is a question word in English which is used to ask about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. Example, number 1, whose book is this? Number 2, whose name did you write on the paper? Number 8, which. Translate, yang mana. Which is a question word that functions to ask about a choice or selection. Example, number 1, which color do you like? Number 2, which one do you choose? The left or right? Number 9, how. Translate, bagaimana. How is a question word that functions to ask about the way or manner. Example, number 1, how do you go to school? Number 2, how do you cook pasta? Variations of how. Here, there is 5 variations, namely, how old, how many, how much, how long, and how far. Variation how number 1, how old, functions used to ask age. Example, how old are you? How many, functions countable nouns. Examples, how many books do you have? How much, functions countable or money. Example, how much is this pencil? How long, functions duration. Example, how long is the movie? And last, how far, function distance. Example, how far is your school? This is the conclusion of XW and 1H. Formula WH question. There are two, namely 1. WH question with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Information. Main verb, kata kerja utama, there is go, eat, play, study, and sleep. Auxiliary verb, kata kerja bantu, there is to be, do, or have. Example, when are you leaving? Where do they live? What have they did? 2. WH question with modal verb. WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Information. Modal verb. There is can, could, will, would, shall, may, might, and must. Example. Who would he stay with? What should I do? Why should we read books? Thus, here there is problems example. There are 10 questions. Yes, 10 questions. Number 1, ... is your name? Is the answer A, who, B, what, or C, whom? Is the answer B, what? Because here there is a question about name someone. So, is the answer B, what? And others, the answer, next slide. Yes, this is the answer to the question on the previous slide. Ini, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, thank you. That's enough of my speech and presentation. Thank you for watching. I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.